The auto repair industry is shifting to eco-friendly practices to reduce its environmental impact. Traditional methods, solvent-based paints, hazardous chemicals, and excessive water and energy use contribute to pollution, health risks, and landfill waste. In response, repair shops are adopting sustainable practices driven by stricter regulations, consumer demand, cost savings, and corporate accountability. Key innovations include the use of water-based paints, which cut harmful emissions by up to 80% while improving durability and color matching. Energy-efficient spray booths, LED lighting, infrared curing lamps, and high-efficiency compressors reduce electricity consumption. Recycling initiatives handle metals, plastics, glass, tires, and even paint sludge, while refillable containers minimize waste. Water-saving systems, biodegradable cleaners, eco-parts, and safer waste handling make repairs more eco-friendly. Education plays a vital role, with eco-certification programs training technicians in sustainable practices and improving workplace safety. These initiatives benefit businesses through lower operating costs, compliance with regulations, and a stronger green reputation. Workers enjoy healthier environments and new career skills, while customers receive high-quality, sustainable repairs and sometimes insurance incentives. Looking ahead, trends such as EV maintenance, digital estimates, closed-loop recycling partnerships, and carbon-neutral practices are set to advance the movement further. Sustainable collision repair boosts efficiency and makes shops leaders in a greener automotive future. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@gemstatepdr.com.